Hi everyone, it's Dia with Eat, Run, Plan, Repeat. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thanks for stopping by. Today I am going to have a Filofax giveaway. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll know that I get most of my planners from The Right Touch. And Norman recently gifted me a Filofax Malden in the personal size, and I did an unboxing of it. I'll link that video in a card or somewhere down below if you'd like to see it. I love the Malden and I think it's beautiful in the pear color, but it just wasn't for me. So I moved into it that day and quickly realized that I just wasn't in love with the color. It didn't match a lot of my other stuff, my purses and my other planners. So if I don't love a planner, I don't want to keep it. I thought, what better thing to do than to give it away to somebody who will love it. So let me just show it to you right now. It will come in this box. I did do an unboxing on it and I got a little excited and I threw away the plastic covering, but I only used it the one time, and here it is right here. I put my stuff in it and then that night I took my stuff right back out of it. So this is the Pear Malden in personal size. It will come with all of the normal inserts that come with the Filofax and the dividers and the back pouch. And along with that, I figured I'd throw in a couple of things I picked up along the way. Some adhesive dots, 2 different types of washi tape, and some Recollections plastic dividers. Okay, so that's it. I feel like this is a super short video, but that's all I wanted to do was come on here. I figured the school year is starting. It's already started for a lot of people, so maybe somebody starting college or even high school would want this planner. For me, it's the time of year when my kids go back to school and I start a routine again. So a lot of times I like to redo my planners and get them ready just because my life does have more of a routine when my kids are in school. It's almost like the new year for me. So I figured maybe some other moms out there are looking for a new planner too. So once again, really quick, this is for the Pear Malden in the personal size. So if you would like to enter this giveaway, all you need to do is comment below. I'd love to hear what you would use it for, if it's your first planner, or if you want to give it to somebody as a gift, just go ahead, leave one comment down below, and I'll enter you into the drawing. You don't even need to subscribe to my channel, although I would appreciate if you did. Once I hit 10,000 subscribers, I do plan on having another giveaway, so hopefully you guys can help me get there. I'm a very impatient person, so I wanted to make sure I gave people enough time to enter to win, but I also don't want to drag it out too long, so I figured I would do it for 2 weeks. It will end Thursday. This is only a US giveaway. I'm so sorry to any of my international followers. At the moment right now, just shipping and that kind of stuff, I need to stick with US. I'll probably announce the winner that Friday morning on my Instagram and in a YouTube video as well, so look forward to doing that. I appreciate all of your support and I just want to give something back. So that is it for the giveaway. If you have any questions, just make sure you leave it in the comments below as well and I'll address those. And just really quickly, after posting my video about the Rachel and my hunt for the Sydney satchel, look what I got. It is so gorgeous. It's the Sydney satchel in wine, and one of my followers contacted me and gave it to me for a very reasonable price. I am still on the search for one of the light brown leather ones, but I will be making a video on this comparing it to the Rachel because I didn't realize how many differences there were between the two, and I want to show you guys just in case you're debating on which one to get. So thank you again for watching. I hope you enter my giveaway. Hit subscribe if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more from me, and make sure you hit that bell if you want to receive notifications. As always, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and I'll see you again soon. Bye.